So first, let's start off with the products. In general, we want to use things that are going to tell the melanocytes, which are the cells that produce pigment. We want to use products that are going to tell your melanocytes to basically produce less pigment. So you can, starting off with the gold standard ingredient is something called HYDROQUINONE. It comes in a 2% formulation that you can buy over the counter under the name of AMBI, or you can get a 4% strength in a prescription form. Then there are other over-the-counter non-hydroquinone options, and some of the ingredients to look out for would be soy, licorice, arbutin, and vitamin C. One specific vitamin C product that I like is called SKINCEUTICAL CE FERULIC. This is a very powerful antioxidant serum that can work nicely to help diminish dark spots. And when I say dark spots, here we're specifically talking about lentigines, which are sunspots. Okay, now let's move on to procedures. I would say between the two main options here are chemical peels or laser. Chemical peels usually require a series of 3 treatments. It's where we put a certain liquid on the face that causes the skin to exfoliate, meaning peel off. And that can take anywhere between 2 to 5 days. Chemical peels have different levels of strength. And this basically exfoliates that dead pigmented skin to reveal nicer, less pigmented dark spots underneath. The second option is laser. Laser can be done with an IPL or something called a Q-switched or pico laser. These should be used primarily in lighter to medium skin people. It gets a little risky with darker skin, but it's also a very effective way to remove dark spots.